Dr. Meenu Walia is the director and head of Department Medical Oncology, Max Institute of Cancer Center, New Delhi. How does one counter this issue that there may be a breast cancer patient sitting with no symptoms at all? But then, and maybe when the symptoms do come and they do go for treatment, it may be too late. Is there something you can do at home on a regular basis to kind of detect if you have something or not?
So here is where comes the importance of breast self-examination and clinical breast examination. So what we have to understand in our kind of a society, which is very conservative society, many women, they are shy about their own body. They're shy about their own body parts. And many of us probably don't even touch ourselves to know what are normal parts of our body they feel like.
Right.
And the whole concept of breast self examination is know your body first. So if you know your breast, you know how what is the feel of your normal breast, what do they look like, what is this, whether there are the size and pattern and the feel. Only then, if tomorrow some changes occur, you will be the first one to appreciate. Since we do not do a regular breast self examination, we do not appreciate even if some changes occur. And by the time the change would have grown to some substantial proportion, only then is that we go for a doctor or we go somewhere to show that thing. So, breast self examination is very, very important for all the ladies, and
Right.
they need to know when to do it, how to do it, and and the main idea is know your own body so that you tomorrow you can appreciate the new lump, something that is abnormal, something that is developed in your breast.
Dr. Meenu, if I may ask you, are there possibilities of relapse in early breast cancer after treatment? And how does that happen? And are there ways to prevent that? Does relapse happen?
So, cancer, the main fear is about these relapses and recurrences only. And that is why, as somebody pointed out, the entire focus of diagnosis for early detection is that earlier you detect the disease, more are the cure rates, lesser are the chances of relapse or the recurrence. So the more advanced the stage is, if it is a stage 4, as already pointed out, then it is generally considered, practically considered as an incurable stage. In stage 3, again you can cure a lot many, but the chances of relapse are also substantial. Stage 2, stage 1 are early stage breast cancer, but again, as the lower the stage, the chances of relapse will decrease, but still they do remain. And what is important is that there is a concept of what we say is completing the treatment. So many times, what happens, like for example, some of the hormone receptor positive breast cancers, the treatment may go on in the form of hormonal tablets in the to the quantum of years, sometimes 5 to 10 years also. So not everybody will remain compliant to the treatment.
Right.
People will forget to take medicines, people stop taking medicines, people start feeling they're feeling healthy, they're absolutely fine, why should they continue this adjuvant treatment? So these kind of defaults do happen, and you really find that when these defaults happen or people are not regular about all these things, once the acute symptoms are taken care of, then if somebody gets lenient on their follow-up, then the chances of relapse are definitely, the cancer can come back. Apart from that, a very important concept is the tumor biology. So
Right.
even when the cancer sometimes appear localized, it is not a localized disease. There's more realization of the fact that cancer is a systemic disease to begin with. So it's not all cancer cells. So even when the cancer appears probably a very early stage disease and it is localized to the breast only, it has already sent some metastasis which are too small to be seen by the eye. That is a microscopic size metastasis, micrometastasis, which would have already spread, would have gone or spread to some parts of the body and may lay dormant for years altogether before it becomes active again. And that is why the entire focus is the earlier you detect, the earlier you pick up cancer, your focus should be a complete treatment, a wholesome treatment, and regular follow ups so that you can improve the cure rates.
what is that one message you would like to give to breast cancer patients and all other women in India?
My take home message for all the women out there will be, women, just love yourself, be body aware, be breast aware. A healthy you is more meaningful. You can serve your loved and dear ones much better than an unhealthy you. Be breast aware, be proactive, healthy lifestyle, eat healthy, live healthy, and get yourself screened from time to time.